Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay? Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how we can create a custom table in ServiceNow and how we can store the data, we can save the data in that custom table as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how we can create a custom table in ServiceNow and how to store the data, how to save the data in that custom table as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you so that we will get to know that today what we're going to learn and today what we're going to create in this video, in this tutorial in ServiceNow with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built in ServiceNow, and this is the ServiceNow logo, and this is the main navigation menu, and this is the ServiceNow search input field. We can search anything through this input field, but always in ServiceNow we can't access the things, we can't search the things from the outside world. Okay, so guys, we won't be able to fetch the data, we won't be able to search the data from the outside world, but we will be able to search anything like any hardware, any software, any applications, any KV knowledge article. We will be able to search through this search input field, but always in ServiceNow. Okay, this is it. Okay, and below we can see here one heading also, user registration form field to database mapping in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Okay, and below we can see here one user registration form as well with some input field, name, email address, confirm email address, mobile number and address, and one button called submit to submit the form. Okay, and guys, let me tell you guys one of the most important things of this application. Okay, so guys, I have not used here out of the box ServiceNow table to store the data, to save the data. No guys, no, I have not used ServiceNow out of the box database. I have not used ServiceNow out of the box table to store this user registration form data. No, rather I have just created here my own custom table in ServiceNow database to store this user registration form data. Okay, literally guys, I have just used okay my custom, I have just created here the custom table in ServiceNow table to store this user registration form, which we will submit through this user registration form. Okay, so that's why I have given here this heading also, form field to database mapping in ServiceNow. Okay, and this is the form I have created using HTML and Angular. Okay, this is it. Okay, and guys, let me just show you the custom table which I have created. So guys, this is the user data table I have just created with the column name. Okay, so this is the column name, name, address, email, mobile number, and this is the confirm email address. As of now, we have only one user data called Prabhat Pandit, and I'm going to delete this data as well. Okay, so let's just check this out and come here and choose this delete option. So click this delete. Okay, so guys, literally we don't have any data in our custom table called user data. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to fill some data through this form, and then we will be able to see those data here in our custom table called user data. Okay, this is it. So come here, so let's just put here name is this, email is this, confirm email address is this, mobile number is this, and this is the address of the user. So submit the form using this submit button. So hit it now, submit. You can see guys, we got here the alerts. Okay, so you can see here data saved successfully, user data saved successfully. Okay, so now let's just come here and let's just refresh this page now to see the user data if it is there or not. So see, boom guys, boom, we got here one user data called Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is the name of the user, address of the user, email of the user, mobile number of the user, and confirm email address of the user. Okay, so come here, I'm going to fill here, I'm going to save few more data of the user. Come here, let's just say here Pooja Kumari. Let's just give here pk at the rate yahoo.com, and I'm going to give here the wrong confirm email address. Okay, I'll just say here p at the rate hotmail. Okay, hotmail.com, and let's just give here any random number as a mobile number. Let's just put here address as a Pune. Okay, India. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, these alerts first, and now submit the form using this submit button. So hit it now, submit. Okay, you can see here guys, we got the alert saying email and confirm email address do not match. Okay, you can see here guys, we got the alert as well because the email address and the confirm email address do not match. Okay, you can see here this is the different email address and this is the different email address, so that's why we got here one alert also saying email and confirm email address do not match. Okay, so we have to give here the exact okay same email address as a email and as a confirm email address as well, then only we want to be able to see this alert. Okay, saying email and confirm email address do not match. Okay, so let's just close this alert now. Let me just fix this email issue. Let's just say here yahoo.com, and instead of p only, I'll just say here pk at the rate yahoo.com, and now submit the form. Hit the button submit. Again, you can see here the email and confirm email address do not match. Let me just check what is the issue here. So here is the issue here. It's say here it's Yahoo and it's how you. Okay, so let's just say here Yahoo as well. So just say here Yahoo. Okay, and now try to submit the form. Hit the button submit. See, we got here the alert. We got here the message. Data saved successfully. User saved successfully. Okay, so just now we have just saved the data with the name. Okay, Pooja Kumari. So let's refresh this page now. So see, boom guys, boom. We got here the user data, Pooja Kumari. This is the name, address, this is the email, this is the mobile number, and this is the confirm email address. Let me just come here and I'm going to close all these okay alerts first. And now I'm going to submit the form without filling anything. Okay, so let's just submit the form without filling anything. So hit it now, this submit button. See, we got here alert also. All fields are required fields. Okay, you can see here all fields are required. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory, it is mandatory to fill the data, to fill the form. We won't be able to submit the form without okay filling the form, and if any input field is left without filling, we have to fill input fields, then only we will be able to submit the form. Okay, so let's just say here, this time I'll just say here Deepak Sharma. Okay, I'll just say here dk as the email address, dk at the rate yahoo.com. Let's just put here dk at the rate yahoo.com. Let's just give here any random mobile number. Let's just give here address as a Bhopal and India. Let's just submit the form now. Let's just close this alert first. Okay, and now submit the button. Hit the button submit to submit the form. So data saved successfully. Okay, you can see here we got the successful alert of the successful saving of the data as well. Okay, you can see here data saved successfully, user saved successfully. So come here. So now we will be able to see here new user with the name Deepak Sharma. Okay, so let's just refresh this page now. Okay, so we got here the new user called Deepak Sharma, and address is Bhopal, India. Email is this, mobile number is this, and confirm email address is this. Okay, so I'm going to say B. I'm going to let's just say here, I'll just say here as if Preeti Yadav. Okay, so let's just say here Preeti Yadav, and I can just say here Preeti at the rate gmail.com. Okay, let's just say here Preeti. So say here Preeti at the rate gmail.com. Let's just give here any random mobile number. Let's just put here address as a Patna, Bihar, India, and now submit the form using this button submit. So hit it now. Data saving. Okay, you can see here data saved successfully, user saved successfully. So let's just come here and now refresh this page. So here is the new user Preeti Yadav, address is Patna, Bihar, India, email is this, mobile number is this, and confirm email address is this. Okay, so guys, you can see here our application is doing great, our application is doing fantastic. Okay, and I hope guys you are now thrilled, you are now excited to learn to build this application with me, Prabhat Pandit, in ServiceNow. So guys, you are now excited, you are now thrilled. Okay, so guys, if you are learning ServiceNow in 2026, and if you are new to ServiceNow also, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently as well, because if you aspire to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer, then guys, you must watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now excited, you are now thrilled to build this application in ServiceNow with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application in ServiceNow. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request to you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys do press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. Okay, so guys, first of all, you have to do here 4 things for me. So guys, first of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Second, you have to press the bell icon also, you will be notified. And third, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. And fourth, you have to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on ServiceNow as well. Okay, so please guys, do subscribe, do press the bell icon also, do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups also, and do like this video also, which will give me the confidence and motivation. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application. So guys, this is my PDI. So I'm going to, so first of all, let me just, okay, I'm going to create here something. So let me just copy this, we will be creating here. Okay, so let me just copy this, we will be creating here table. Okay, so let's just remove these records from here, because we will be creating here everything from scratch, from starting. Okay, from the beginning. So we will be creating here one table, we will be creating here widget, we will be creating here one page also, custom page, and we will be creating here one ServiceNow service portal as well. Okay, so let me just very quickly create all these things. Okay, so let's just create here. First, I'm going to create here one table. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'm going to create here one table, one custom table I'm going to create here first of all. So let's just go to the filter navigator all. Okay, and let's just search here system definition. Okay, system definition, and click this tables to create the new table, to create the custom table in ServiceNow. Okay, so click this new button to create the new table. Okay, so click it now. So here is the guys label and name is compulsory, is mandatory to fill all these fields. Okay, so let's say here I will just create here the custom table with the name. I'll just say here Prabhat, okay, Pandit underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. Copy this label from here, cancel this, copy this label from here. So come here and let's just paste it here. This is it. Minimize this and copy this. Okay, name also you underscore Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. This is very important, so that we will be able to save the data inside this. We will be able to search this table using this name as well. Okay, so minimize this. This is it. Let's just save this table now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here columns. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here columns inside this table called Prabhat underscore YouTube. Okay, Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. So here's the columns. I'll just use this new button to create the new columns like name, email address, confirm email address, mobile number and address. Okay, so click this new button now. Okay, so I'll just give you a type as a string only. I'll use the type as a string. So click this string. I'll just give you the, so you can see here column label, column name and max length is all these. Okay, input fields are compulsory, are mandatory to fill. So I'll just give you a column label. I'll just say here name as a column label. It will give you here u underscore name. Let's just give you max length 50%. Copy this u name. This is very important, guys. Copy this. Okay, column name u underscore name. This is very important, and we will use this u underscore name to save the data inside this table which we have just created, Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. Okay, so copy this u name from here and let's just save this for future reference. So paste it here, u underscore name. This is very important. Okay, so minimize this and let's just click here and save this. Let's just now let's just update, let's just make it mandatory. Okay, and let's just update this. It will go to the previous page. Okay, so click this update button. You can see here we got here the new column label as a name. Okay, we got here the new column label as a name. Again, click this new button to create the more columns. So click this new button. So again, I will use here string. So string, click this. I will just give here column label as a email. Okay, email I'll give here as a column label. We will get here u underscore email. So give here max length as a 50 only. Copy this u email from here. This is very important. So copy this and paste it here. This is it. Minimize this. Let's just make it mandatory as well. Right click here and choose save. Okay, so update this. We go to the, we got here name and email. Again, click this new button. I'll just use here again a string. So string, I'll just give here column label as a confirm email. Confirm underscore email, and we will get here u underscore confirm underscore email. Okay, we just give here max length as a 50 only. Copy this u underscore confirm underscore email. So let's just copy this and let's just paste it here. Minimize this and let's just make it mandatory as well. Right click here, save this. Let's just click this update. It will go to the previous page. So here we put here name, email and confirm email. We just click here again new to create the new column. Okay, again I will use here string only. So string, click this. I'll just give here column label as a say here phone. Okay, phone, give here 50, we will get here u underscore phone. Copy this, this is very important, column name is very important. Copy this from here and let's just save it here. Okay, so guys, always remember this column name is very important. Okay guys, always remember this column name is very important. Let's just make it mandatory as well. Right click here, save, update this, it will go to the previous page. And we got here column label as a email, name, email, and phone, and confirm email. Let's just create here one more column name as a address. So let's just say here string only, string. Let's just say here address. We will get here u underscore address, and let's just give here max 50. Okay, so copy this u underscore address column name. This is very important column name, I told you. Copy this and let's just paste it here for future reference. So now let's just right click here, save. Let's just YouTube, copy this and come here. And now let me just go to the this tables. So click this table now, and let's just bring it here. And for the let me just see what it is name. So come here for the name, choose this name and let's just paste it here and just hit enter. Okay, so you can see here we got here the table. Okay, Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. So this is the same table label, Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. Okay, so this is our table. Click this, it is here. And let me just now copy this. Okay, let me just copy this u underscore Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. Copy this from here and go to the filter navigator all. Okay, go to the all now, and let's just what I can do here, I can just remove this and hit enter. So go to the filter navigator all and just paste this. Okay, paste this and let's just put here dot and say here list. Now hit enter. So here it is. So guys, here is our table, Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore YouTube. You can see here this is the same table name. Okay, so here is our table with the column label, name, address, confirm email and phone number. Okay, you can see here name, address, confirm email and phone number. This is our table. Okay, so as of now let me just we don't need this page, so close this out. We don't need this page as well, so close this out. And okay, we don't need this table as well, so close this out. Okay, and now guys, okay, and now what we will create here, let me just see what we will create here. So this table is created. Now we will create here one widget, one page and one portal. Okay, ServiceNow portal. So come here. So first of all I'm going to create here one custom pages. So let's just search here pages. So click this pages link. So let's just click this new button to create the new custom page. So click it now. So let's just give your title as a Prabhat Pandit page. Copy this title from here and let's just save this. So title is here and let's just give your okay ID as well, something like this. So ID should be unique. Copy this ID from here as well and let's just paste it here inside the page. So paste it here, this is it. So now let's just minimize this and now let's just make it public. Okay, and let's just save this page now. So right click here and save. So the page is now created. Let's just go to the related links. Okay, and open this page in designer. So guys, open this page in designer only. So click it, click this link now. So here is the page open in designer. Okay, so is taking bit time because we all know that ServiceNow platform is very busy. It is being used around the world. It is being used around the corners. So it is going to take bit time. Quickly. So let's just search your portals. Okay, let's just search your portals very quickly. So click this link portals. Come here. So let me just create here new. So click this new button to create the new portal. Okay. So here it is. Title is mandatory. I'll just say here Prabhat Pandit portal. Copy this title from here and let's just save it here inside the portal. So save it here and let's just give here URL suffix as well. I'll just say here pp underscore 2000. Copy this URL suffix as well and let's just paste it here. Okay, and let's just this is it. I'll just give you a home page, the page we have just created. Okay, this page. Okay, this page I'll just search with this title only. Copy this page title from here and now just come here. So click this search icon and let's just bring it little here. Instead of id I'll just say here for text. So paste it here, hit enter, choose this page. This is our page. I'll just give you a kb article anything. Okay, as a category, this is it. I'll just give you the ServiceNow logo as well. So let me just choose the file from here and let me just go to the downloads and ServiceNow logo. This is the logo I'm going to use here. Click open, click OK. This is here. Here is the logo. I'll just give the 404 page as well. So I can just, instead of text, I'll just search for the ID. So it's 404. Hit enter. So here it is. Click this. So I'll just give you a catalog home page as well very quickly. Anything like this. Okay, give you approval. Okay, I'll just give you a catalog category home page as well. Okay, so let's just give you anything. Okay, like announcements. I'll give you the main menu as a SP header menu, as a SP header menu. So here is the SP header menu. Click this. I'll give the theme as a coral only. So choose this coral theme just now. Or right click here, click save. Okay, and now this is it. Click this button. Try it now to see this page live. Okay, in the browser. So here it is. Here we can see here only this the ServiceNow logo, and this is the main navigation menu as well. Okay, so now just come here. Let's just as of now let it be here. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now I'm going to design this page. So let's just click this plus icon and choose this 12 as a container, as a column. Okay, so inside the widgets only, I'll just search here home page. Okay, so let's just drop it here and drag it here. Okay, so let's just configure this. So I'll just click this pencil icon to configure this very quickly. So I'll just say here fixed. Let's just give here fluid. I'll upload the background image as well. So let's just copy this. Open this. Check this image. Open now. So this is it. Let's just click save. Okay. So let me just. So instead of okay, so here is fluid. I'll just give you the cover as a background style. Click save now. So this is it. Let's just click this pencil icon. I can just say here learn ServiceNow with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, let's just give here anything. So I'll just say here I will just make this very quickly. Prabhat Pandit, this is it. Let's just say here AI search as a knowledge portal search configuration. Let's just give you a search result configuration as well. Knowledge portal search, this is it. And let's just give you the AI search placeholder as well. Okay, I can just say here all knowledge articles. Click save. This is it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now just come here and now refresh this page now. Yeah, we can see here the same thing. Learn ServiceNow with ER Prabhat Pandit, and here is the search input field. This is it. So come here and now I'm going to create here one widget. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here one widget. Okay, so let's just close this page. We don't need this page anymore. Let's just close this as well. We don't need this portal as well anymore. Let it be here only, and let it be here only. So this is our table. Let's just be it here only. So come here now. So go to the filter navigator all. I'll just search here widgets. So click this widgets now. Click this widgets. So click this new button to create a new custom widget. Click this new now. So here it is. So name is mandatory only. I'll just say here Prabhat Pandit widget. Copy this name from here and just save this for future reference. Inside the widget, give your name, okay, and just give your anything ID, any unique ID. Copy this ID as well from here, and let's just paste it here. Yeah, so just minimize this, and now I'll just give here Prabhat as a description. Prabhat Pandit ServiceNow tutorial. Okay, this is it. So guys, as of now, let me just come here and let me just copy this heading from here or the text from here. So come here to this widget, and now I'm going to create here the header. First of all, I'll just create here one header. So let's just give here the class as a text center, and close this div now. Not div, this is h1 only. So h1, and let's just put this string or the text here. Okay, user registration form fill to database mapping in ServiceNow. This is it. So make it public now. So as of now, just right click here and click save. Okay, so now, so copy this widget name from here, copy this widget name from here, and come to this page designer. So let me just refresh this page one more time. Let me just refresh this page one more time. Okay, so inside the widget column only, first of all, you just go to the container here and just click this plus icon. Okay, so let's just choose this table from here. This is it. So inside the widgets column only, let's just paste this widget name. This is our custom widget we have just created. So drag it here and drop it here. So let's just come here and now refresh this page. So here we can see the heading or the string user registration form fill to database mapping in ServiceNow. This is it. So guys, now I'm going to create this form. Okay guys, I'm going to create this form very quickly. Guys, I'm going to create this user registration form very quickly. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. I'm going to create this user registration form now very quickly on this widget now. So I will just create here one div. Okay, let's just finish this form very quickly in only 5 minutes. So let's just say here container. I'll give you a margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. Let's just close this div now. Okay, and inside this div I will create here a couple of input elements. So let's just say here input. I'll give you the type as well. So type equal to, I'll just say here text, and I'll just say here placeholder as well. So placeholder equal to, I'll give here enter name, enter name. This is it, and I can just say here class as well. Okay, form control, and I can give here the so now guys, I have to give here one very important things called ng model. Okay, because we all know what is ng model all about. So ng model is used in two-way data binding in Angular or in ServiceNow as well. Okay, so guys, we all know what is ng model. Ng model is all about two-way data binding in Angular form. Okay, so we will also use here ng model, but as of now let this, okay, only the input field only. So let's just give here one br also. So let me just copy this input field very quickly, and let's just paste it, okay, 3-4 times in order to save a little bit of time only. So let's just say here, I can just say here, enter, enter email, okay, email, this is it. And let's just say here, enter, enter confirm email address, okay, this is it. And let's just say here, enter number, number. So let me just check the table column name. Let me just check the table column name. So it's name, address, confirm email, email and phone, okay. So this is it. And instead of this input field, let me just create here one text area, remove this type, say here, let me just say here address, okay. So enter address, this is it. Let me just close this text area now. So text area, this is it. And I will just create here one button as well to submit the form, okay. So let's just create here button, and let's just close this button very quickly, button. And let's just give here submit now, this is it. Let's just give your class as well, or classes I can say, btn. I'll just say here info, okay. So as of now guys, as of now, just save the file, choose save, and now just come here, yeah, come here, and now refresh this page. So we can see here the form, but it is looking a little uglier, okay, so little ugly. So let's just come here, and let me just check what is the so here is the wrong spelling, it's control, okay, it's control. So copy this control from here, and let's just paste it here, let's just paste it here, let's just paste it here, and let's just paste it here. And now right click here, choose save. Now the form will look dynamic and pretty. So let me just refresh this page now. So see, now this looks cool, okay. But let me just check what is the issue here with this text area. So what is the issue here? So yeah, it is not closed, so close this, okay. So I'm in a little hurry, so that's why I'm making, okay, a lot of mistakes here. But no issue, you can just understand what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to finish the video little earlier, okay. So here is the name, here is the email address, here is the confirm email address column or the input field, here is the enter number, and here is the enter address, okay. This is it. So let me just, okay, use some css also. So let me just use this css also. So copy this, okay, a container from here, and go to the css column. Let me just paste it here, and I'll just use here this container. I can just say here margin, its margin top I will give here 60 px, 60 px. And I can just say here the margin, okay, bottom also 60 px, this is it. And now let me just cut this out and create a one div inside this div with the class. I can just say here form holder, okay, form holder. Close this div now very quickly. So now let me just open this div and paste inside this div now. Let me just fix this issue. Yeah, this will look cool. Copy this form holder from here, class name, and let me just paste it here. So now I'll just give here say here what I can say here. I can say here width of 60%, give margin, okay, 0 auto. Close this, okay. So let me just see what is the this. So now let me just give here one header class, copy this header class. So the form should look little dynamic also guys, because we are developer, so it should look little dynamic, okay. So let's just say here margin, top of 20 px and margin bottom also. So it's margin bottom, it's not 10, it's bottom, okay, of 20 px. So as of now, just save the file, right click here, choose save, and now it is saved. Come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, now this looks cool. Okay, so this form looks cool and little dynamic as well. Okay, so now guys, we are done with the form. Guys, we are done with the form. Okay, so come to the widget. Now let's just bring it here. So guys, we are done with the form. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the first. We will write here the client script. Okay, guys, first of all, we will write here the client script. Okay, guys, I'm going to write here the client script. So now I'll just create here. Let's just bring this here. So now I'll just create here c.data. Okay, and I'm going to create here one empty object. Okay, so let's just say here. So guys, it will be similar to this. Okay, I'm going to write here comment also for you only, so that it will be it will be really easy to understand for you. Okay, so I can just say here c dot success msg message. As of now, let's just give you nothing or the blank string. This is it. Let's just close this. And now guys, okay, what it will contain, guys, I will explain you later. Okay, I'll explain you later. Okay, so this is it. And now I'll just create here one function. So let's just say here c.submit equal to, I'll just create here one function in really fast. Okay, so let's just bring this now. And now guys, okay, first of all we will check. Okay, so now I'll just use here, okay, this c.data dot name as a ng model. Okay, c.data dot name as a ng model inside the form. So I'll just say here ng model equal to, we will just say here c.data dot name. Okay, c.data dot name. So using this ng model, guys, using this ng model directive of Angular, guys, using this ng model directive, okay, we have bind, okay, this input field, we have bind this input field with this, okay, with this client controller. Okay, with this client controller. So let's just close here. Okay, so guys, using this ng model, c.data.name, we have bind this input field, with this client controller. Okay, with this client controller. Okay, so copy this ng model. Okay, copy this ng model from here and let's just paste it here. So instead of name, I will just say here email, and let's just say here ng model. Instead of name, I'll just say here confirm email. Okay, I can just say here confirm email. Okay, confirm email, and let's just paste it here. And instead of name, I'll just say here number. Okay, and instead of just paste here, and instead of name, I'll just say here address. Okay, address. Okay, so we will say here c.data.name, c.data.email, c.data.confirm email, c.data.number, c.data.number.address, to bind all these. Okay, to bind all these input fields. Okay, to bind all these input fields. Okay, with client controller. Okay, with this client controller. So first of all, I'll just check here. If user has filled the form or not. Okay, first of all, I'll just check the form if user has filled the form or not. So I'll just say here not c dot data dot name, c.data.name. Okay, we will check here if user has filled the form or not, or okay, does not equal to c.data dot email or does not equal to c dot data dot, let me just copy this. I don't want any error, any issue. So copy this from here and let's just paste it here, plus I just say here does not equal to c dot data dot number. So number, I remember this number. Okay, you can see here this number. Okay, this number, let's just copy this from here only. Okay, and last one is address. Okay, so let's just replace with this number, and I can just say here does not equal to c dot data dot address. Copy this address. Okay, from here only it will take only few seconds. Okay, so let's just paste it here, and this is it. So now let me just check. Okay, so if so, first of all guys, I'm going to import here a few dependencies. Okay guys, first of all I'm going to import here a few dependencies as well. So the first dependencies I'm going to use here is sp util, okay, to show the success or error message on the portal. Okay, and last one I'll just use here dollar is say here time out. Okay, so this is the dependency and this is the dependency. Okay, this is it. So now I'll just use this sp okay util to show the success or error message on the ServiceNow service portal. So I'll just say here dot, okay, I'll just say here dot add success message. I'll just say here add success or error message. So error message. Okay, and now I'll just say here all fields are mandatory. Okay, this is it, and let's just return here. So let's just say here return, close this. Okay, so now guys, I'll just call this function. Okay, I'll just call this function c.submit on submit of the button. Okay, on whenever the button will be clicked, we will call this submit, okay, function on this button. So let's just say here ng click equal to, paste it here, give your parenthesis. As of now, just save the file and let's just see how it is going to behave. Okay, right click here, save. So come here and now refresh this page. So now submit the form. So see, boom guys, we got here alert, all fields are mandatory. Okay, so let me just change the message for you only, so that it will be visible to you that yeah, we are learning here something. Please check your form. Okay, so now right click here, save, and come here, refresh this page one more time, and again try to submit the form without filling anything. See, all fields are mandatory, please check your form. Okay, so fill something here, give something Prabhat Pandit, put here any email address as of now, so any random number, any address, Pune. Let's just close this and now submit the form. So see, now we don't have any issue. Okay, so see, now we don't have any issue. So now we will check the email as well as the confirm email address. Guys, now we will check the email as well as the email address if both are same or not. Okay, if both are matching or not. Okay, so just come here, come to the code now. Go down a little quickly. So just now we will just say here if, okay, if let me just copy this. Okay, c dot email from here, c dot data dot email from here, and let me just does not equal to, okay, does not equal to this c dot data dot confirm. Okay, so if it is not equal to this, we will just alert the message to the user. So again I will use this dependency sp util to show the success or error message on the portal, and I'll just say here dot add error message like this. So now we will just say here email and confirm email address do not match. Okay, do not match. Let's just return here also from, because we don't want to proceed ahead. So let's just close this. Okay, this is it. So as of now, just right click here, choose save. Okay, and now come here and now refresh this page one more time. Okay, so now try to submit the form with the different email address as well as the confirm email address. Let's just search here, put here Prabhat Pandit let's just give here email address this, and instead of this let's just say here only Prabhat. Okay, so this is different email address, this is different email address. Let's just put here number, and let's just give your address as a Bengaluru. Okay, and now submit the form. So see, boom guys, you can see here email and confirm email address do not match. Okay, you can see here guys, we're getting the alert here, email and confirm email address do not match. Okay, so let's just match with this email address now. So now try to submit the form, close this alert first and submit the form now. So now we don't have any issue, we don't have any alert, we don't have any problem, which means our code is doing great, our like what can I say, validation is doing great. Okay, so come to the code now, and now go to the down very quickly. This is it. Okay, and now let me just say here, so I can just uh say here as of now, let me just create here one more data c dot loading. As of now I'll just give here as a, so c dot loading I'm going to give here as a give here true. I can just change it later on. Okay, so now so this is it. So we have just checked the condition. Okay, everything is doing great, everything is doing fine now. So now I'll just say here below this I'll just say here this c dot loading, I want to hide the loading now. I'll just make it true, so we are getting the data, everything is okay, everything is fine. So I'll just hide this loading now. Okay, so this is it, and now I'll just say here, so guys now we'll just use here c dot server. Okay, c dot server dot get. Okay, so guys this is the built-in ServiceNow method. Okay guys, just don't worry about this, what this is all about and where it is coming from. Guys, just don't worry about this c dot server dot get. Okay guys, this is the this is the ServiceNow built-in method to send the data to the server. Okay guys, just don't worry about this, where it is coming from, what is this. This is ServiceNow built-in method to send the data to the server. So we will say here this c dot server dot get to send the data, okay, to the server. So now let's just what we will say here, we will send the we will say here action. So action we will give here action equal to save. Okay, save user save user data. Okay, save user data, and now just close this, and now we will send the data as well. So data will be this data, this c dot form data. Okay, because let me just explain you what this is all about. Okay, because this c dot data is similar to let me just create here comment here for you only. So this, okay, c dot data will be similar to like this. Okay, so it will contain everything. Okay, so c dot data will be an array of, I mean the object, and it will contain everything like from the input field from the form. Okay, like name like this. Okay, Prabhat Pandit, put comma, email as a Prabhat @yahoo.com. Okay, and confirm email. Okay, something like this it will contain. Okay, so Prabhat @yahoo.com. Okay, something like this, and number like this, number, anything, any number. Okay, any number like this. Okay, so and now last it will contain the address, because there is a address field as well. Okay, Bangalore. Okay, so this is the data I want to send. Okay, this is the data I want to send to the server. Okay, so that's why I'm saying here action equal to save user data and data equal to c dot data. Okay, this is it, and now everything is okay. If everything is okay, if we are getting the response from the server, if guys, if everything is okay, if we are getting the response from the server, then we will run here one then method. Okay, then we will run here one then method, and this will run one function also. So now it will give us response, okay, from the server, okay, whether it is response is okay, whether response is not okay, we will get the response from the server. Okay, so now it will run here one function as well. So now I'll just run here one function. So I'll just first of all, let me just say here, so we're getting the data. So let me just hide this loading as well. We're getting the data because, okay, because we're getting the data, so let's just hide this. So instead of true, I'll just say here false. This is it. And now, okay, and now we will check the response. Okay, and now we will check the response, if response is okay or not. So I'll just say here if, okay, if data, okay, if response, okay, response dot data, if response is okay or not. Okay, and if response dot data, response dot data dot status, okay, response dot data dot status equal, it's status equal to success, okay, equal to success, then only we will proceed ahead. Okay, if response is not okay, we will just stop there only. So this is what I'm doing here. Okay, so now I'll just say here this c dot message, this c dot success message, we want to show this success message to the user as well, like I showed you in the example. Okay, let me just copy this and submit the form now. You can see here, these all are the success message. Okay, these all are the success message I have shown to the user that your form is submitted successfully. Okay, so this is what I'm doing here also, this is what I'm doing here also, that, okay, see here, data saved successfully. So close this. Okay, and now I'll just show the uh, sp sp util dot add info message, sputil dot add info message, to show the successful message to the user on the service portal. Okay, this is it. Let's just say here, mm, let's just say here, data saved successfully. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. And let's just clear the form now. So copy this, let's just clear the form now, copy this, and clear the form, clear form fields. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just show the response to the user as well inside the util only. Okay, so I can just say here util dot add info message, and now I just say here response. Okay, we are getting the response here. So copy this response, I want to show the response as well. So response dot, okay, response dot data dot, okay, so let me just say here so response dot data. Okay, so we will write the what can I say, the when we will write the server script, then we will get to know what this is all about. So we will just say here response dot data dot message. So there will be a message variable also inside the server script. Okay, inside the server script, when we will write the server script, there will be message variable as well. Okay, so let's just say here message. Okay, this is it. And now I want to show the data to the console also, that what user has submitted to the form. So I can just say here console dot log. Okay, and let me just copy this c dot data from here only, because this is the here also c dot data. So let me just copy this from here only. Okay, it will be easy to understand, and I want to show the into the console also. So let's just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so this is the if. Okay, so guys, this is the if else, if there is any else. Okay, if something is wrong, if something goes wrong, then we will just copy this, and I'll just tweak with this message, and instead of add info, I'll just say here add error message, and I'll just say here data not saved. Okay, data not saved. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'll just copy this because I want to clear the message also. So now below I'll just say here dollar timeout. Okay, it is going to run one function also to clear the what can I say, the message after some time. Okay, after 3 seconds, 4 seconds, whatever number you will give, the message is going to be cleared after this much of time. Okay, so let's just give here 3000 just to clear the message after 3 seconds. Okay, this is it, and I can just say here c dot. Okay, c dot. Okay, success message, it will be cleared. Okay, like this. Okay, so now let me just close this as well. So now we have just written our servers, I mean the client script. We have just written our client script. Okay, and I hope you are getting me what I'm sorry what I'm doing here. So let me just save this file very quickly. So click save. So now come here. So refresh this page now. Now as of now the data will be not saved. Okay, as of now the data will be not saved. Let me just go to the console. I want to show you something inside the console. So come to the console now. As of now, let me just put here some data now. So I'll just say here Prabhat Pandit. Let's just give your email address this. Okay, let's just put here number 777 only. Okay, let's just give your address Bangalore. So now it's Lulu. Okay, so now submit the form. You can see here data not saved. Okay, you can see here data not saved because there is no any response from the server, because there is no any response from the server. You can see here data not saved because see, because there is no any response from the server. Okay, you can see here I am just saving the data, I am just sending the data to the server, so there is no any response from the server. So that's why this else block of code is going to run. Okay, you can see here the message data not saved because this else block of code is running because I am just sending the data to the server. Okay, and based on the response from the server we will run this block of code, and then only we will be able to save the data inside the table, this. Okay, inside this table. Okay, so now I'm going to write the what can I say, the client script as well. So now let me just go to this client server script, and now we will write here the server script. Okay, so first of all we will check here if user, okay, if there is response or not. Okay, so I can just say here input or input, and we will just say here input. Okay, input and input dot action, input dot action. Okay, equal to input dot action equal to this should match this action, save user data. Copy this from here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, if guys, okay, if I mean the response is coming, or okay, if response is there. Okay, if user has contacted the server. Okay, and if action, if input dot action equal to this. Okay, this save user data. Okay, if it is there only, then only we will run this function. And now I'm going to get here one where now. So let's just see here var gr equal to, I'll just say here new glide record. We all know because we are working with the ServiceNow table, so we have to use here glide record. So glide record, and we will give here the table name, which table I want to save data to the. Okay, so let me just copy this table name from here. Instead of here, let's just come to this here. So let me just copy this. Okay, copy this u dot underscore Prabhat underscore Pandit dot YouTube. Copy this because this is the data. Okay, this is the table I want to save the data to the. Okay, so let me just come here and let's just say here glide record. This is it, and now I'll just say here gr dot initialize. Okay, gr dot initialize. It is going to initialize, it is going to create the what can I say, empty record in the table. Okay, it is going to create the empty record in the table, so that's why create empty record in the table, this table. Okay, u underscore prabhat underscore pandit underscore youtube. Okay, so now I just say here gr dot, I can just say here gr dot. So let me just now go to the we will just now use this name. Okay, u name. Okay, u name equal to, I will just say here input. Okay, input input dot data, input dot data, because this is the data object. Okay, this is the global data object, and now we will use this name from here. We will use this name from here and just paste it here, close this, and again we will say here gr dot gr, what is this, let me just see. So let me just copy this email and let's just equal to, again I will say it's data dot name. Okay, so now again I'll say here input dot data dot so copy this email from here and just paste it here. Again we will say here gr dot confirm email equal to, again we will say here input dot data dot confirm email, copy this confirm email from here and just paste it here. So now again we will say here gr dot phone to store the phone number of the user, input dot data dot input dot data dot copy this number from here and paste it here, close this. Again we will say here gr dot u address and equal to input dot data dot, okay, so this address. Okay, copy this address from here and now let's just paste it here. Okay, this is it. So now I will just close this and now again I will create here one var with the sys underscore id. Okay, sys underscore id, or let's just, it is already defined inside the service now, equal to, I'll just say here this gr dot, okay, this sys underscore say here gr dot insert. Okay, insert, so this is going to generate, okay, this is going to insert the data inside the table. So insert the data into the table and it will generate one unique, okay, unique id, okay, or sys id. Okay, sys id will return. Okay, or let's just, okay, let me just, okay, say here this is very long, it will return, I can just say here not this, return, okay, sys id. Okay, every time it will return a sys id. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now if this sys id, okay, if this sys id if this sys id is okay, so we will just say here, that data dot status equal to, I'll just give here success. Okay, so guys, this is the I'm talking about this success. Okay, this success. Okay, you can see here response.data dot you can see response.data dot status equal to success. So this is what I'm sending here. So now whenever it will come to the client controller, it will become this response. Okay, this response dot data dot message, or this data dot I mean response. Okay, this response dot data dot status, I'm talking about this success. Okay, so let's just close this, and now again I'll just say here data dot message. Now I'll just send the message as well, this message guys. Okay, this message I have been talking about, this response dot data dot message I'm talking about here. So let's just say here I can just say here user data saved successfully. Okay, else I can just say here, else I can just say here, else I can just say here let me just copy this, we will just change the message only. So I can just say here error, error, and I can just say here data data not saved. Okay, so guys, our server script is also ready, and I hope I've explained you to the depth, to the details. Okay, still you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section below this video. Okay, so guys, let me just come here, let me just save this file very quickly. So right click here, choose save, and uh, one more time, and now let me just put here data. So let's just say here Prabhat Pandit, give your email address this, give your number 8888, give your address Bangalore. Okay, and now submit the form. See, boom guys, we got the data. You can see data saved successfully, user data saved successfully. Here you can in the console also, address is Bangalore, confirm email address is this, email is this, name is this, and number is this. So everything is doing here now. Great. So come to this now and refresh this page. Okay, refresh this page. See, boom guys, boom. We got the data guys. Here is the data. Prabhat Pandit, address is Bangalore. Confirm email address is this, email is this, and phone number is this. Okay. So guys, this is doing great. Guys, this is doing great. Let me just close this alert first. Okay, and this time I'll give you different data. I'll just say here, mm, John Doe, John Doe. Okay, it's Doe, John Doe. Okay, John Doe. Say here, uh, John at the rate yahoo.com. Again, say here the same email address, John at the rate yahoo.com. Give here number something like this, and say here London, England. London, England. Hit the button submit now. See, we got your data guys. So address is London, England, email is this, email address is this, name is John Doe, number is this, and we got the alert here also. Okay, and now come here, refresh this page one more time. So see, boom guys, here is John Doe, address is London, England, confirm email address is this, email is this, and phone number is this. Okay, this is doing great. So now guys, I'll just show the message also. So let me just come here, I'll show the message also. So now below this button, I'll just create here one div. Okay, I'll just create here one div with the class text. I can say here text red. Okay, text danger, not red, it's danger. Okay, so let's just create this, close this div, and now inside this div I'll create here h1. I'll create here h1, and I can just say here, okay, okay, I can say here ng if, okay, ng if equal to, ng if equal to, okay, I will just check, okay, if c dot data is true. Okay, c dot loading, okay, this loading guys, okay, this loading, let me just go to the client script. This c dot loading, if it is true, we will show the message, otherwise we will hide it. Okay, so this is what I'm doing here. Okay, so if it is true, I'll just say here saving the data, please wait, please wait a while. Okay, this is it, otherwise. Okay, and now we will show the message also. So now again create here one div now, give the class as a text center, close this div now, and I'll just use here h2, close this h2 now, and I'll use here the what can I say, the interpolation or string interpolation to show the message. Okay, to show the message. So come down, copy this c dot message from here to show the message. Okay, to the user. Okay, so let's just paste it here. Okay, but I don't want to show this message every time. It will be shown only when ng if, when ng if, okay, equal to this c dot loading is true. Okay, when the loading, okay, when the loading is false, then we will show this message. Okay, when the loading is false, then we will show this message. So right click here, save, and come here, refresh this page one more time, and now, so it is already okay shown here, saving data, please wait. So let me just go to this, so make it okay false, make it false here, and while it is okay saving, it is true, and after this response we will just hide it. So here it is false, right click here, and save this. So now come here and refresh this page. So yeah, it is now hidden. Put here something, I can just say here the puck, give here some random name. It will be, I can say here water. Okay, I can say here water body. Okay, water body, I can just say here water at the rate yahoo.com, copy this, and just to paste it here also, put here any random number. Let's just say here earth. Okay, submit the form now. So now you can see here data saved. So let me just come here and refresh this page now. This is the custom table we have just created. So here it is, water body, address is earth, confirm email address is water@yahoo.com, email is water@yahoo.com, and phone number is this. So let me just this c dot message, if it is defined, then only we will show the message. Okay, why c dot loading? No c dot loading, c dot success message, then we will show the success message. Okay, so let me just save this one more time, and come here, close this these alerts first. Okay, refresh this page one more time, and now say here TV screen as a name only. Say here TV at the rate hotmail.com. Say here TV at the rate hotmail.com. Put here any random number. Okay, give here sky. Hit the submit button now. Yeah, so data saved successfully. Okay, data saved successfully, and it will hide after some time. So come here, refresh this page first, see if data is here or not. Yeah, so data is here. TV screen, address is sky, confirm email address is tv@hotmail.com, email address is tv@hotmail.com, and phone number is this. This is doing great. So let me just check why it is not being hidden after 3 seconds. So come down, come down, come down. So timeout function and c dot message. So let me just check, guys, what is the issue here. So it's a timeout. It's a timeout. So it's timeout function. Okay, so let's just make it alert, and I can just see here alert success. Right click here, save. Come here, refresh this page now. So see here Pooja Sharma, Pooja Kumari Sharma. So that we will remove this Sharma Pooja @yahoo.com, and I'll give you the wrong confirm email address pooja@gmail.com. To check the validation of the form, put here any random number, put here address as a Pune, India, and submit the form now. You can see here email and confirm email address do not match. So let's just copy this Yahoo and let's just paste it here. So now email address and confirm email address is same now. Close this alert first and try to submit the form now. Data saving, data saved successfully. Okay, so we are getting here data saved successfully, but it is going to hide after some time, but it should also hide after some time. Okay, so timeout function. So timeout. Okay, let me just guys do one thing. I can just call this function inside this submit or after the response. Okay, so yeah, now this will work. Now save one more time, click save. Now this will work. This will work now completely. So come here, refresh this page one more time. So first of all, let me just refresh this page. We have saved here one user called Pooja Kumari Sharma. Okay, so refresh this page. So see, boom, guys, here is the user Pooja Kumari Sharma. Okay, with the address, with the confirm email address, with the email, and with the phone number. So now let me just put here something. Okay, I'm very sorry guys. So now let me just try if this is working or not. So let's just say here pinto kumar, and I can just say here pinto at the rate yahoo.com. Let's just say here pinto at the rate yahoo.com, and let's just say here any random number like this. Let's just say here Delhi, India. So submit the form now. Yeah, this works now. This works. Okay, so everything is doing great. Everything is doing great guys. Okay, everything is doing great. Okay, so everything is doing great. Okay, so let me just come here, refresh this page. This is the table, custom table we have just created. So here is the new user Pintu Kumar. Address is Delhi, India. Confirm email address is this, pintu@yahoo.com. Email is this, and phone number is this. Okay, so this is the last data I'm going to submit now. I can just say here, please subscribe as a username, subscribe, and I can just say here Yahoo, I mean the YouTube. Okay, YouTube at the rate hotmail.com. Copy this and just paste it here. Put here any random number like this. Say here India. Okay, now submit the form. So see, data saved successfully, and see it's gone now. Okay, it's gone. So it is also gone, and come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, so uh, please subscribe. Address is India. Email address is youtube@hotmail.com, youtube@hotmail.com, and this is the number. Okay, so last data I'm going to submit now. Okay, so let's just say here form. Okay, this form has the username, and I can just say here form. Okay, at the rate yahoo.com, form at the rate yahoo.com, number, put here any random number like this, and say here Pune, India. Okay, so the name is form. Okay, and email is this, and confirm email is this, phone number is this, and address is this. Okay, submit now. Saving data saved. Okay, data saved successfully, user data saved successfully. Okay, so now just come here and now refresh this page. So here is form, new user, form, address is Pune, India, confirm email address is this, form at the rate yahoo.com, email is this, form at the rate yahoo.com, and this is the mobile number. Okay, so guys, I hope this is doing great, and I hope you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic from this video, from this session, and I hope you know now how to create the custom table and how to save the data inside the custom table, inside the user defined table in ServiceNow after watching this video, after watching this session of mine. Okay, so guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, okay, then please guys, okay, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to address it. I'll try to definitely give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so please guys, do subscribe now my this channel, like this video also, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos. Guys, in the next video, till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.